So hi everyone, let's have a small discussion on these 7 MCQ which are on different topics of different subjects. Okay, so the first one, this first topic, this first MCQ is based on the subtypes of acute myeloid leukemia. Okay, so match the pair between the types of AML and their features. The first type of AML according to the FAB class, these are according to the FAB classification, is M3. So characteristic about M3, what we know is it is associated with DIC. It is a subtype where differentiation therapy is being used. Okay, so differentiation therapy, and the microscopic feature is it has maximum OR rods. OR rods are azure-free granules, which can also come as an image-based question. So this is the option DIC and differentiation therapy. Other extrapolation point is differentiation therapy is done using ATRA, which is all trans retinoic acid. Okay, so the first option 2. Okay, AML M2 is associated with chloromas. Okay, so 1. AML M7 is the most common subtype of AML which is associated with Down syndrome. The other point related to this is the patient with Down syndrome with AML has good prognosis as compared to patients without Down syndrome with AML. Okay, the other point is AML M4, which is myelomonocytic leukemia, has both positiveness for myeloperoxidase and neuron specific histories. Okay, so 4 and 3. So AML subtype question done. Next question is related to the mechanism of action of antifungals. Okay, so this is a frequently asked question. So the question is asking inhibition of 14 alpha steroyl demethylase is a mechanism of action of which antifungal? Amphotericin B, as you know, it makes pores in the cell membrane. Okay, this is the mechanism of action. Caspofungin are glucan synthase inhibitors. Cresofulvin inhibits the microtubule formation, and itraconazole, the azole groups, inhibit the 14 alpha steroyl methylase and inhibit the formation of ergosterol. Okay, done. So mechanism of action of antifungals are done. Next question, a 32-year-old female, okay, delivered in a village by a trained dai. How many visits will Asha make for a newborn care? So this is a very commonly asked question of PSM. So remember as this 5, 6, 7. Okay, so Asha has to visit to the postpartum mother for several visits in three different conditions. Okay, so if the baby is born at home, so if there is no institutional delivery, it is been born at the village at her home by a trained dai, the Asha has to give 7 visits. If the delivery is done in an institution by normal vaginal delivery, the Asha has to give 6 visits. And if there is an institutional delivery by LSCS institution, if normal vaginal delivery institution, and if by trained dai at home, then 7 visits. Okay, so if you are delivering by trained dai, the patient is delivered by trained dai, Asha will give 7 visits. Okay, so this newborn care, all the details, please have a look at these. Okay, next, identify the test performed and observed in which condition. You see that there is a plug, okay, and it has micaceous scales. Okay, and what you see is there is an instrument which scrapes the plug, and you see that there are bleeding at the side of the scraping. Okay, ideally this test is being performed by a glass slide. Okay, so this test is Auspitz test. Okay, Auspitz test. Okay, this is usually performed by a glass slide. Okay, which is the scraping by a glass slide is also known as Grattas test, and this Grattas test removes the Bulkley's membrane, and the finding in the Auspitz test is pinpoint bleeding at the site of scraping, and this is seen in psoriasis. The other point important is psoriasis has microscopical feature of parakeratosis. Okay, done. fifth question discusses about the gene mutation and the inherited nephrotic syndrome. Okay, so the first gene is NPHS1 gene, which codes for nephrin. As you can see in the diagram, nephrin is the protein which holds the slit diaphragm of the filtration slit. Okay, and nephrin mutation causes your Finnish type of nephrotic syndrome. NPHS2 gene codes for podosine. Okay, so the podosine, which is seen in the diagram, and mutation of podosine leads to steroid resistant nephrotic syndrome, which is third. Other extrapolation point is drug of choice for steroid resistant nephrotic syndrome is cyclosporine. Alpha actinin 4 gene mutation is seen in adult autosomal dominant FSGS, and TRPC6 gene mutation is causes adult type FSGS. Okay, next, in a patient with known case of congestive cardiac failure, increase in heart rate is known as which reflex? Okay, so what happens in congestive cardiac failure is there is a right atrial distension, and this distension stimulates the SA node, and this causes increase in heart rate. For the cardiac reflexes, the only reflex which causes tachycardia is Bain-Bridge reflex. So this rules out the other options. Let's look at the other options. So now we have Bezold-Jarisch reflex. So what happens is, in patients with MI, the infarcted tissue releases serotonin 5-HT, and this serotonin causes decrease in heart rate. Okay, Cushing syndrome is seen in head injury, and it also causes decrease in heart rate. Head's paradoxical reflex is a respiratory reflex seen in newborns to clear the lungs. So increase in inspiration, prolonged inspiration promotes more of inspiration. Okay, now the last question. All of the following prokaryotic DNA polymerase have the function of DNA repair except. So type 1, type 2, type 3. There are only 3 types, so type 4 is gone. Type 1, type 2, type 3. The repair function is done by type 1 and type 2, not by type 3, and the proofreading is done by all. Proofreading is done by all the 3. The major DNA polymerase performing the function of DNA repair is type 1, so major here. Okay, so these are the 7 different topics which I have discussed. I'll be posting more such videos, so read these topics, and these will cover mostly the factual topics which you have a difficulty in remembering or memorizing. Okay, thank you.